Hi everyone, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we are creating a half and half drip cake. This is really good if you have twins and one's a boy, one's a girl, or one prefers one color, one prefers another color. Basically, we are creating a cake as per usual. So I am torting both of my cakes. We are working with 7-inch round cakes here today. Sticking it to my cake board and then filling in with buttercream. I marbled a dark chocolate mud and a white chocolate mud together to get this sort of cake sponge. Once all of your cakes have been stacked, apply that crumb coat to trap in the crumbs. Fill in any pockets as you go. I've got my little frosting combs here that have a straight side that I like to use as a frosting smoother. Pop it into the fridge to set for a few hours and then apply that final layer of frosting. This remains to be in white. It is stark white thanks to the vegetable shortening that I've used in the buttercream. I'm going to smooth it out, fill in any pockets again as you go. And then continue to smooth until you are happy with the finish. After which you can wait a couple of minutes before you go ahead and trim off the top edge. The reason why I like to wait a few minutes is so that the frosting has time just to firm up. It just provides you with a much cleaner top edge, much sharper looking top edge as well. Now you're ready for the drip. This is a white chocolate ganache that I have tinted pink with gel food color. I'm going to start at the very center, leaving about a centimeter or so of space at the very edge, and then I'll begin my drip. I created a straight line right through the center. That's going to mark where half of the cake is. The other half will be a different colored drip. You could use a spatula to push the ganache over to the side to drip it. I prefer to use a piping bag because it gives me the most control over the length of the drip, the position of the drip, and it's just a lot more fun watching it flow this way. The second half will be dark chocolate ganache here instead. And it was a little bit firmer than usual, so I thought, you know what, I am going to do the drip first and then fill in as an afterthought later, because I had a feeling I would have to use a spatula to spread it because it was so thick. And then once it's set in the fridge for about an hour or so, you can go ahead and add on your decorations. If you don't allow your drip to set, your decorations will muck up the look of the ganache, but they'll also slip. And they won't be in the position that you place the decorations after a little bit. So just make sure you let that set. Ask me how I know. And that's it. It is so simple and easy. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again in the next one.